Hello everyone, welcome again to W3DE. In the last video we show you how to make an M42 camera lens using old projector lens. Now we'll use it to take some pictures. If you notice that on previous video I'm using a K&F M42 to micro four thread, but for now I'll be using an M42 to NEX Adapter and mount the lens to a Sony A7. For the first picture, we'll take some photos of yellow flowers. And then this one, photos of some dry red flowers.
Okay.
The bokeh is quite unique, isn't it? And then this one is a fence with bright sky in the background. There are no haze in the picture, meaning that the dull painting in the internal tube works quite well. Yes, we found a stray cat, and looks like he doesn't mind when I took pictures. Maybe a bit shy in the beginning, but we get along quite well eventually. So overall result is okay. There are some unique bokeh in the pictures and also quite sharp, even though I shot all the image wide open, and the image have some vintage tone or feel. Well, it's been a great project. That's all for now. Don't forget to subscribe and see you soon on our next video. Have a great day. Bye.